coast.
Georgia.
In Georgia.
It's right outside of Savannah.
Yep.
It is like a little beach island that is, it seems like it's away from everybody, away
it's
from
pretty.
everything, a little town.
Yeah.
As you can tell, it will be jumping in the summer or during spring break. They have rental golf carts, resorts, everything. And a nice beach.
Yes,
And a pier, a lot of restaurants. So,
You have fun? Yeah, it's a lot of fun. It's a nice ride here. We're riding
it was
the
a
coast.
nice ride. The actual road to get here, I think it's Interstate 80 or US 80. You have water on both sides with swampiness, or I'm not sure what you call it.
That terrain. Have you seen it?
Yeah, the terrain on the sides. It was just a road, a 2-lane road.
Water on both sides.
No rails.
Grass growing in the
nothing.
water.
Yeah, so it was interesting. It was fun. Stuff that we haven't really experienced. And we found a nice place to park. Stayed there overnight. It was quiet, relaxing.
Slept good.
Yeah, slept really
Slept
good.
very good.
I think all the activities that we've been doing has been making us,
Exhausting us.
yeah, exhausting us to have a good night's sleep. We actually slept in like we
It's
usually.
about 10:30, 11.
Something. It was about something like
Yeah.
that. And then we stopped here at Waffle House to get something to eat. Had a nice, good breakfast. Had a little bit of everything. And then now we're on our way to Hilton Head Island, South Carolina.
Next time, Waffle House. All right, let's ride out.
Buckle up.